Henry, and this is the presentation of my app for my mobile app development final. So let's go ahead to install the app. The app is essentially a stock, cryptocurrency management app that helps you to make informed decisions based on current trends and news that affect these markets gravely, basically. So it's a view only app as at now. So yeah, when installing the app, this is the first page that you encounter, the get started page. They can click on get started. And because it's only a viewing app, it didn't require heavy user authentication because no vital data from the user is being stored. So only the name was enough. So you can get the name. Oh, there were some validations. You can't start with a number to flag it, and you can't leave white spaces to flag that too. So let's go with Henry. So yeah, upon successfully installing and in logging in, so to speak, this is the screen that you see. And if you close the app and you reopen it, it doesn't take you back to the get started page and all that, because it saves tokens, and upon installing it, you only get that screen upon installing it, and the app hasn't been opened before. After it has been opened before, it won't take you back to that screen. So as you can see, the name has been cached. That's making use of the shared preferences and all, and it's working perfectly. Saved it. So yeah, this is the listing of the active markets. As you can see, some are in downtrends, some are in uptrends, and there's volume in the market as at now. Over here on these cards, you can actually access your real-time graphs in various time frames: the daily, the weekly, the monthly. Currently this is the monthly. You can check the 3 months, the 6 months time frame, the daily time frame as well. And can look at the summary, which gives you the lows, the highs, and the volume in the market as well. Can do that for all these coins, and it's fetching real-time data thanks to the CoinGecko API, which makes this possible. Also, can add these coins to your watch list, make it easier to access them. That's if you have current investments in them and all that. You can add them to your watch list, and as you can see, they are here. You can remove them as well if you see fit. And if you can't find them, you can easily search them here. You can add them to your watch list from here. If you go to be there, if you click on it, you can still see the graph and all the data about the coin, current volume and everything. Now the most interesting part, that's the news feed. Gives you real-time data from thanks to the FinHub API. The FinHub API that fetches real-time news that relates to these cryptocurrencies and stock markets in general. Finance news that gravely affects these markets to help you make your informed decisions. So when you tap on the news, it takes you to the URL, and then you can read the full article and whatever is going on. Or if you feel like some of the news articles are too old and you want to manage your feed, you can simply select some, and then you can either choose to delete them or archive them. If you click on archive, come to the archives, you see them here. They are archived. You can simply choose to delete them. You can select multiple things and delete them, and they are gone, and back to your feed. And yeah, that's how the news works. Then your settings, not really a lot to see here. You can just change your profile name, zoom in. You save it, can come back to the homepage and you realize that the name has changed. It's all dealing with caching, making use of the shared preference dependency. Can check the terms and conditions, you can read about the company, or you can simply exit the app. Another interesting feature that was added was the notifications. As you can see, some news popped in a while ago and the notifications are showing. It also works in the background. And when the app is minimized, it can still give you the news if there are new news articles coming in as the fetch function is running. So yeah, another interesting thing about the app is it has it in dark mode and in light mode, tailored to the system for to meet the visual needs of everyone. So if you keep it in the light mode, you realize that the theme has changed and everything goes to white, all based on user preferences to fit everybody's visual needs. So this is basically my app, and this is my final project, and this is what I've done so far. Thank you very much.